here. This is how you cannot kill us. You cannot kill us. You cannot kill us. You will not kill us here. You cannot kill us. This is our assembly. You cannot kill us. What's wrong with you? This is our assembly. You cannot kill us. You will not kill us. You will stand our ground. You cannot kill us. What's going on? You cannot kill us. You will not kill us. Question, let's be happy. Let's be happy for here. No, you will not kill us. You stand our ground. Let's have ourselves in the content. What's going on? Let's be happy. Let's be happy. Let's be happy. Let's be happy. Let's be happy for here.
In the chamber. Madam Speaker, we want you. We want you. We want you. Honor! 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 You can't come into the chamber. This is a democracy. This is a democracy. Yes, now. You can't bring Waputi assassin to the chamber. This is a democracy. This is a democracy. This is a democracy. You can't come into the legislative house. Who guarantee that? Whoever gave that order. How can you bring gun AK-47 into the chambers?
Are they mad? They calm down.
No, you don't need calm down. They want to destroy the institution.
They are the security threats.
Where is he going? No, Bobby. I'm not bad.